भाई मेरी 36 बिरादरी को मेरी राम राम है। समाज में ना भाई भाईचारा बना के रखने वाली।
हेलो एंड वेलकम। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कंट्रोवर्सी किंग रजत दलाल की। वी कीप हियरिंग हिज नेम अगेन एंड अगेन एवरी टाइम इट इज़ something similar like a criminal case or a fight between influencers or something like this. So इस बार इन्होंने क्या किया है, he has been accused of abducting, torturing and assaulting an 18-year-old boy because of a reel he posted. And Rajat's journey began with controversy. When he first became famous, it was because of something similar.
ये हमें थोड़ा सा ज्ञान देंगे अभी। चलो पंडित जी हनुमान चालीसा सुना दो।
ये तो नाथ बाबा हैं, नाथ हैं, गुरु गोरखनाथ।
हनुमान चालीसा सुना दो।
हनुमान चालीस पढ़ते नहीं बाबा।
क्यों नहीं पढ़ते? गायत्री मंत्र आता है?
अनपढ़ है।
अनपढ़ हो? ओहो, हनुमान चालीसा सुना दे फटाफट।
So in this video we can see इन्होंने ये 3 फेक पंडित बाबाओं को kind of captive रखा हुआ है and he is threatening them with a huge hammer. I don't know how he got famous with this. Like this should be illegal, right? Now I agree totally that जो वो लोग कर रहे हैं ये फेक बाबाज वो बहुत बहुत गलत है and it's very disrespectful to our religion. But again he should report them or just like he exposed them, that was enough. किसी को ऐसे डराने धमकाने की आई डोंट थिंक ज़रूरत थी। एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये पहली बार नहीं है जब रजत ने ऐसा कुछ किया है। दिस इज़ एक्चुअली क्वाइट कॉमन एंड दिस टाइम ही हैज़ abducted and tortured an 18-year-old boy. Things like this threads by him, and with his stories and his videos he has done this multiple times. आई थिंक कैरी मनाटी ने भी एक स्केच किया था एंड रजत गॉट अ लिटिल एंग्री आफ्टर विच कैरी अपोलोजाइज्ड. सो ही टेक्स थिंग्स टू हिज हार्ट प्रॉबली. सो ही डजंट टेक ट्रोलिंग वेरी वेल, जो कि बहुत कॉमन है आजकल. सो ही पोस्टेड दिस स्टोरी विद दिस बॉय गोइंग अराउंड इन रजत्स कार with this song playing in the background, and next day we heard that Rajat has been arrested. The 18-year-old boy launched an FIR against Rajat, claimed that Rajat beat him up, tortured him, smeared cow dung over his face, urinated on his face, made him clean a toilet bowl and other such things, made him say very disgraceful words and all. Basically humiliated him and beat him up. So this boy goes to the police and lodges a complaint against Rajat. Rajat gets arrested. The same evening Rajat goes live on his Instagram and he clarifies, because of course सबके दिमाग में बहुत सारे questions आ रहे हैं कि how can an influencer who has 1 million followers, that is 10 लाख लोग इनका कंटेंट रेगुलरली देख रहे हैं, एंड ही could do such a vile thing to a basically a child, an 18-year-old boy. So इस लाइव में I'll attach some of the part of that footage here.
क्या चीज़ गलत है और क्या क्या चीज़ें थी एक बार देख लो, लग गया था ना। इतना ही था। मेरे को एक चीज़ बताओ, अगर मैंने कुछ करा होता तो मैं बाहर कैसे हो जाता ना। मेरे को बिना किसी नोटिस के पुलिस वालों ने उठाया, जो कि कानूनी रूप से जायज़ चीज़ नहीं थी। वहाँ पे एक जगह आया हुआ है कि मैंने मारपीट करी। भाई मेरे हाथों में बहुत अच्छी खासी जान होगी, अगर किसी को मारूंगा तो किसी के निशान तो आएगा ना। उस लड़के के पूरे शरीर पे एक निशान नहीं है, सिंगल एक निशान। और जो उसमें बोला हुआ है कि मैंने किसी की पसलियाँ तोड़ दी। अगर पसलियाँ टूटती हैं तो कहीं फ्रैक्चर होता है, कहीं निशान आता है, कहीं कलर तो चेंज होता है ना। उसमें सब कुछ एग्जैक्ट है। उसके घर वाले हियरिंग तक पे नहीं आए भाई। कि एक होता है ना पुलिस चौकी में आके सब काम करवा के, अगर तुमने किसी पे केस करा है पूरी हियरिंग के दौरान उनके वकील के पास एक सिंगल प्रूफ नहीं था किसी भी चीज का। जो भी मेरे ऊपर एलिगेशन लगाई है, मैंने टॉयलेट कराया है, मैंने मारा है, सब कुछ साफ कराया है, एक सिंगल प्रूफ नहीं था। और देखने तो पॉइंटर क्या क्या थे उनके, चोट के निशान थे। हाँ, वो लड़का 1 महीने से मेरे बारे में उल्टा सीधा।
सो बेसिकली इस लाइव में उन्होंने क्लैरिफाई किया कि ये एलिगेशंस झूठ हैं और उस लड़के के बॉडी पे कोई ब्रूजेस नहीं हैं, और ही सेड दैट ही इज़ नॉट दैट बैड ऑफ अ पर्सन कि ही वुड डू सच थिंग्स लाइक यूरिनेटिंग एंड मेकिंग हिम क्लीन द टॉयलेट bowl and all that. He is not that kind of a person, and he has video proof of that boy willingly getting in his car, so he did not abduct him. जो भी इनके ऊपर accusation है कि he abducted and tortured the boy. So he clarified all that, and then we hear in the news that he has been arrested again today. Now, the main question is, why did people believe it so easily? If this is a false accusation, why did we believe it so easily? Because this isn't the first time Rajat has been involved in portrayal of bullying or harassing people or trying to threaten people using his strength and his social media presence. And also he always uses his Jat identity to call other people from his community to pit them against his rivals, whatever, whether they are an influencer or a normal person. He uses his Jat identity a lot with the music in his stories, his posts, the things he says. इन्होंने पहले भी बहुत सारी ऐसी casteist, he says a lot of things like that, which is in itself, I find it is very problematic. Of course, you can take pride in your identity, but using it to bully others and using it to create a divide between people is definitely wrong. And we constantly see him putting up stories which kind of promote violence and threatening. Like, I'll attach the screenshot saying these things is not normal, just doesn't seem like a very peaceful person. Now, I'm not saying that he has done everything he's been accused of, but the things he has done, the things he does online in itself are very, very problematic. We really need to see what young people, children, and these impressionable 17-18-year-olds, what are they watching on Instagram and YouTube, because this person has power and influence over youngsters, and this is what he's teaching them, to threaten people who are smaller than you, who are less physically stronger than you, who belong to another community than you. So all this, I think, is very aggressive and very problematic. Currently, I think Mr. Rajat Dalal was arrested, but he's out on bail. He has been accused of these things. Let's see what the outcome is. If he's innocent, I hope the boy who made such vile accusations against him gets punished. But if these things are true, it is so sad that an influencer feels that he has so much power that he can basically do whatever he wants and has no fear of law. So let's hope this isn't true and Mr. Rajat Dalal is saying the truth. Let me know your opinions in the comments, and let's see where this goes. Thank you.